So air's running, sounds good. There's 0 leaks so far. It feels really nice. I am going to bring a little thing with me. If it needs more, we can do it. But it held vacuum real good. Yeah, there's that 2-prong. That thing's running perfect. Ain't that crazy how that runs? But it stayed decently cool. Pretty nice. And if you come in here, oh yeah, she's starting to blow cool. But yeah, this switch is messed up, and this switch, I've only got 2 speeds. I think there might be, it's a 3-speed or 4-speed, but this switch is all messed up. But this is God's plenty air. But yeah, see, before, this little dots right there, your RPM would jump. This would move all around like you would not believe how much it moved around. This is at 10, unless I have the air conditioning, it runs up to about 21, 22, your IAC, which is fine. That's my actual AFR. I got my idle set at, I think, 14.1, so it's working itself out. Fuel pressure's good, closed loop. I need to reset my TPS because, actually, no, I don't want to do that with, well, I will. I'll just do it. And Wizard, 0 TPS, yes. So now, where I'm at, that's my throttle position right there. This is still a little hotter than it's supposed to be. See, it says 201. That down there says 190. It's a lot closer than it was. I'm not sure. There is a way. I've seen somebody do it where they change the resistance with a computer. They change the resistance in the ECM to get down to match what you have there, because I trust that more than I trust this. I don't, it's fine. Oh man, that's getting chilly. That feels so good. God, we're gonna have air conditioning in the desert. Radio, do we have any noise going through? To the CB shop in town today real quick, but I had to re-hook the stereo. So what's going on there? There it goes. We got stereo. There we go. Stereo works, radio works, auxiliary power works, and we got one. This one goes, we've had for years, it goes to the back seat for Zeppy. But yeah, this thing's cooking with all cylinders, man. I love it. But I think that's long enough. Now we can change that oil. Turn that off. The buzzer works on this thing. The door buzzer. Or it did. Oh, I popped the damn fuse because I hooked that up. Damn it. Alright. Let me go change the fuse. That's because of that blower motor, man. What a pain in the ass. There's my fuses. Yeah. Whoops. This runs the whole shebang. 2 of these bad boys. Let's see which one blew. Turn the key off? Yeah, I did. I knew the door buzzer wasn't working. It's right here. These would have been fusible links, and I put 30 amp fuses in there. So let me check which one blew. That one's good. That one actually goes to the starter for the start. And this, yep, right there. It's blown. Oh, we got power going for things. There we go. Keep them right there. And we should be able to go back in here since I got the blower hooked back up. But yeah, that's unfortunate. But I'm thinking I might put it on a switch under the dash. I think that's how they had it. There used to be a switch sitting here. I may run a wire over there and then run it back to a switch and just run it so it's in between, and I got a switch that I can turn it off and on. But now we should get, yeah, gen light, and she'll start. But the minute you try to start that thing on low, it blows the fuse. And it's in here. It's not out there. It's this. You should be able to shut off and on. But we'll turn that air conditioning off. But this won't go down. It needs to go down a little bit more to shut everything off. But yeah, no big deal. I'll just bring extra fuses, but shouldn't be a problem. Oh yeah, I had it aligned. And it's really good. It drives really good. We got to put this horn thing in too. I got another one here. I screwed up the other one. So I got another one. I don't have to take it all apart. I just need to put the horn piece in. So I can just pop this thing off. That's actually straight too, by the way, like that. It's about like that, which is fine. But I need to take these off, pull the wheel off, and then I got to put this horn button thing in there, and that's it. I don't have to touch anything else.